It was awesome having Mr. Brown come to our assembly, and we got told beforehand that he was really cool, but it still was like way better than expected, and I feel like it had a really positive impact on like many kids' views of themselves and how like they value themselves, especially a couple kids in my class. Definitely their self-value, I think, went up because of Mr. Brown's speech. When you were talking about how the girl in the school, she sent you the email, and that was really sad, but it was also like talking about and reminding us that all of our lives matter, and you can't just hit the brakes because something in your life is not the way you want it to be, or you don't have a great life. Like you can choose to get out. You can be a good person and have a good life even if you didn't start out that way. The kids in my class said that he had been taking care of himself more in terms of how if you have depression, like you don't feel motivation to maybe do the basic things that I feel like adults wouldn't necessarily think about, like brush your teeth or take showers or like different things. And he said that he was doing all of those. He was like really proud of it, and I was like, that's amazing, that's awesome.